I think I need to sit down. That was not my best work. Smelly burps, stinky burps, gross burps and real honkers. I got them all. Just ask. Shall we see what else is in my bag of burps?
Yes, please.
That felt a bit forced. I was feeling the pressure. If you enjoyed that, why not ask for a forced burp next time? Shall we see what else is in the tank?
Yes, please.
Disgustingly frothy. Thank you. I work hard to be this good. Food and drink burps are some of my favorites. Ask me about fizzy drink burps and see if I can brew something up for you. Should I see what else I can conjure up?
Yes, please.
I followed through a bit at the end there. Gross. If you enjoyed that, why not ask for a wet burp next time? Want to see what else I have brewing?
Yes, please.
Lovely.
A
Nice
super
and strong.
burp?
Good depth of flavor. Smelly burps, stinky burps, gross burps and real honkers. I got them all. Just ask. Shall we see what else is in my bag of burps?
Yes, please.
Bit forced, bit wet, bit disgusting really. Should I see what else I can
What can
conjure
I
up?
ask
With the
for?
expansion pack you
Yes,
move beyond the
please.
normal